welcome future Jaguar parents. I'm so proud to represent my fellow Jepson students and our student leadership team to welcome you here this evening. Jepson, of course, is where all your kids will be coming for school and learning. Yes, all of us here have to take math, English, science, history, and PE. But if that's all your kids do here, they will be missing out on all the other great things that make Jepson such a great place to come to school. I would tell your son or daughter to try lots of the different extracurricular activities that are available for them. There are lots of great clubs, from the Christian club to the chess club. Great school dances. Just don't volunteer to chaperone. Your child would cringe. Just kidding. Also, there are fun leadership activities and, of course, our amazing athletic program. Just look around at the top of the gym. We take pride in winning championships and representing our school. It's not just football and basketball either. Cross country, volleyball, wrestling, track and field, and my favorite, soccer. We really have some great and dedicated coaches, and your child will really cherish every time that we put a thumping on back of Pena. And we do that a lot. Lastly, we take a lot of pride in our school, and you should know that your children are about to become students at the best middle school around. Parents, no stress. Jepson is a great place. Thank you.